Hey everyone. So is Dropbox not uploading your files? Maybe files stay stuck, the upload icon keeps spinning, or new files just don't appear in your account. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you need your files backed up quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix Dropbox not uploading files in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to upload files, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network and make sure it's working properly. Next, try restarting Dropbox. Close the app completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often fixes temporary uploading glitches. Make sure your files aren't too large or of unsupported types. Dropbox has file size limits depending on your plan, and certain file types may not upload properly. Check your Dropbox account storage. If your account is full, new files won't upload until you free up space or upgrade your plan. You can also try pausing and resuming uploads. Click the Dropbox icon, choose Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds, then select Resume Syncing. This often kickstarts stuck uploads. If files still won't upload, try reinstalling Dropbox. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually resolves persistent uploading issues. And that's it. Most Dropbox uploading issues can be fixed by checking your connection, verifying file size, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.